CES is all but a distant memory, and like a hungry bunch of nerds, we all want to know more about the new shiny that was announced in Las Vegas. Now, Sony were not entirely lacking with
This
their
is
range
the
of
new
new
Sony Bravia
2020
Full Array LED
TVs
4K HDR
with the new
TV,
8K
the
OLED, and
X95.
here, the LCD
Available in
range of
49,
TVs.
55, 65,
Now it's good
75
to see
and
that we're seeing an improvement on the 2019 lineup
of LEDs to light the
TVs,
panel.
much
The
like the other
X95 uses
manufacturers.
Sony's
We're
Full
starting to
Array
see this sort of
LED with
trickle
more
down
LEDs across
of
the
what
whole
was
screen. Our
technology
extended
for only
dynamic
the
range
high-end
Pro
sets
controls
last
each
year,
LED zone
now
in
starting
real
to
time,
make an appearance
making
in
dark
the
areas
mid
more
to
defined
lower
and
tier
bright areas
TVs
more vibrant
for
a
this year.
dynamic, accurate
So,
picture.
for example, the
We've used X1 Ultimate Advanced
X95H
Technologies,
gets a much greater
object-based super
improved
resolution
viewing angle
and dual database
with
processing
the introduction
for
of
more
what's
true-to-life
called
enhancement
X-wide-angle
of detail,
technology.
color, and
And then moving
contrast
further
in
down
everything you watch.
with the X90H
X-wide angle
TVs,
technology
we're
allows
getting a
the
full
faithful
array
shades and
LED
hues of the
backlight,
triluminous
sadly
display
not, and
to be
oddly
enjoyed
not on
from
the
any angle in
55-inch
the
version.
room. And our
With
X-Motion
regards to
clarity
the
keeps fast action
processors in
smooth
both
and
those
clear,
sets,
even during
it's only
high-speed
the
scenes. Moving images precisely,
X95H,
controlled to
which
minimize
receives
blur,
the
and
new
pictures stay
fancy
true with no
X1
loss.
Ultimate processor, and the
Brightness.
X90H
The X95 includes
series
Netflix calibrated
have to
mode,
make do
Dolby
with
Vision and
the
Atmos,
processor from
IMAX
last year,
enhanced,
which was the
and Sony's
X1
own custom
4K
picture mode setting,
HDR.
co-developed with Sony Pictures.
Unfortunately,
You
there's
see
no
films,
mention
TV
in any
shows,
of the
and
sets
games with the
of
color,
HDMI
contrast,
2.1,
and
which
motion
is not
the
necessarily a
creator
surprise on the
complete
lower
with our
end
new
sets that we see
backlit
here,
remote
but
control,
oddly even
our
on
flush
the
surface
OLED
design,
and
and
8K
discrete premium
ranges, there
blade
hasn't
stand.
been any
The
mention at all
X95 keeps you
of
focused on
HDMI
what's
2.1.
important, the picture.
Perhaps Sony will announce a lot more about this later, but
Sound
it seems
positioning
a little
tweeters
out
towards
of
the top of the
out of
TV
sorts
on
to
each
not
side,
mention it
combined with
out
full
the
range
gate,
speakers
as
at
it
the
were.
bottom to simulate sound
If you found
coming
this video
from the
of
screen,
interest,
like at the cinema.
please
Our
please
brand new
consider giving me a
X-Balance
thumbs up.
speaker
That's always
ensures
good
sound
and really
clarity.
helps my channel, and of course helps this video. If you like
Just buy
videos
Technology,
that are
a
based on
dedicated
leaks,
amplifier
peaks,
for the sound
news,
positioning tweeters,
reviews,
and another one for the full range speakers,
calibrations,
sound
hints
pressure.
and tips
Using
with a
Sony's
good dose
ambient
of
optimization, the
thrown in,
X95
then
adapts the
please
picture and absorbs or
consider
reflect sound
subscribing
are
to my
detected
channel.
too. The acoustics
If you do,
fine-tuned,
then, of
so your
course, don't forget to click the bell, wherever that is, to be alerted of when I've recorded more new videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.